Hello, I'm Mishak. I'm the Language and Cross-Cultural Coordinator for Peace Corps Botswana. We'll be leading you through a series of videos for introducing you to Setswana language before you arrive for PST.
Hello, my name is Tony Grantsi. I'm one of the Language and Cross-Cultural Facilitators for US Peace Corps Botswana.
Welcome to the Setswana training videos brought to you by Peace Corps Botswana. The lessons are designed to be followed in order, and each video builds upon the lesson that comes before it.
To get the most out of these videos, learners should practice the Setswana out loud. Each lesson will start with the vocabulary, definitions, and pronunciation needed to follow along.
Setswana can be learned phonetically, but some sounds will not be familiar to English-speaking learners. For example, the suffix ng is used in Setswana word for doctor, ngaka, and the Setswana word for child, ngwana, nga, 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 ngaka, ngaka, ngaka.
The letter G in many words is replaced by an English H sound, like in the name for the Botswana capital city, Gaborone. Another example in the Setswana word for snake, noga, and is pronounced noha. Gaborone, Gaborone, Gaborone.
The suffix kg, like in the Setswana word for chief, kgosi, or the Setswana word for cow, kgomo. Also the word for traditional center or village town hall is kgotla. Kgosi, kgosi, kgosi.
TS makes a tsa sound, like the Setswana word for go, tsamaya. It is also found in the Setswana word for take, tsaya, tsa, 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 tsamaya, tsamaya, tsamaya.
The letters T and L are combined in many words and are pronounced. The Setswana word for come is tla, as in the command tla kwano, which means come here. Also the Setswana word for hunger is tlala. Tlala, tlala, tlala. Also TL and H are often tricky for Americans to differentiate from the TL sound. TLH is pronounced and is found in words like thola, which means spend, and the Setswana word for need, thoka, thola, thola, thola.
Lastly, let's compare the and sounds. Try to hear the difference between the two sounds and practice with us. As in tlala, 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 and TLH, as in thola, Hlola, hlola. Thank you for listening.